back to my page and my YouTube channel. Right now, hawak ko po yung cellphone ko kasi I'm gonna do a 5-minute makeup tutorial. And this is a little bit of a challenge for me kasi syempre kailangan mabilisan yung kilos dito. I'm gonna see how fast I could finish all of this. So, gagamitin ko yung timer and I will set this into so 5-minute makeover. I'm gonna turn on the volume of this so that ma-mirroring natin yung timer. Naghilamos na ako ng mukha and then I already applied moisturizer. Ang pinaka gusto kong moisturizer na ginagamit, ito, is the Mary Kay Lumivee. Yan pa rin yung ginagamit ko na moisturizer kasi it's very good for Asian skin. Apply this, makeup na lang. So, 5-minute makeup tutorial. Here we go! I'm gonna punch the timer now. I'm gonna put this one really in a hurry. So, una, lalagyan natin ng primer para dumikit yung ating mga foundation. Okay. Then, I'm going to use the CC cream. This one. So, ginagawa ko, na-apply ko siya dito sa kamay ko. Like this. Yan. Tapos, I'll use it. I'll use a sponge. Para maganyan. Kasi maganda yung sponge dahil ano siya, pantay siya talaga. Ayan. Okay. Dito kasi tabitin nyo na dito dahil may salamin. Okay. 5 minutes. Let's see. Okay, nakaka 4 minutes na po tayo. And then, I love using powder, mineral powder. We're gonna use the mineral powder and I'll use the same sponge kasi mas naglalapat yung ano niya, which is really good. Yan. Okay. Then, pagkatapos nito, ayan, napantay na siya. Can't see, pantay na. Siyempre, lalagyan din natin dito. Para hindi siya mukhang nakalutang kang leeg. Oh, nakalutang ka lang na ulo. Ayan, sige. Pagkatapos nito, yan, nakita niyo na yan, ha. Susunod kong pinakagagawin ko, unang-una, dapat, ay ang pagkikilay. Kasi medyo mahirap yung pagkikilay. So, gawin natin dito. Apply ko na dito ang kilay. I'm using the brunette pencil ng Mary Kay. So, ganyan lang. Find kung saan tumataas yung kilay. Then, the dulo. Matagal talaga pag kilay, pag nagkikilay. So, next, dito naman sa kabila. Yan. So, parang safe. Susundan mo lang yung kung ano yung kilay mo. Ganyan. And then after that, I'm gonna use the brush na. Ayan. Okay. 10 minutes na tayo. Okay. Not sure kung ilang minutes na. Yan. So after that, pinaka gusto kong nilagay yung blush on. Yan. Nalagay ko na to. Using this. This is Mary Kay Shy Blush. Okay. Medyo marag na ako. So, I like this kasi meron itong highlighter dito malagay. Malagay. Yan. And after that, pinaka-favorite kong shades, yung nilalagay ko dyan is ito. Yan. Yan yung pinaka-base ng aking eyeshadow. Kaya ano nang itsura nito. Since I'm wearing pink, I need to match it with a pink color as well. Okay. And then after that, nalagyan po natin ng ito. Okay. Lang, gagamitin ko yung salamin dito. Okay. Yan, ilang minuto na lang natitira. Yan. I like putting this pen, the black pen, because it gives it makes my eyes pop. Then after that, hindi na kailangan natin gumamit ng fake mascara because we can use this lengthening mascara from Mary Kay and sobrang maganda na siya sa mata. O, sa pilik mata natin. So, ayan. Okay. So, after this, maglalagay na po ako ng lipstick. So, gagamitin kong lipstick ay ang nagamit ko dito, which is ito. Ito po. Ay, hindi pala to. So, gagamitin kong lipstick ay ito. Timers! Stop now! Nagawa naman natin. 5 minutes talaga. Alright, exactly 5 minutes nagawa natin. Timer is done. Ito po yung result ng 5-minute makeup tutorial ko. And I hope na may natutunan kayo. Kaya naman pala ng 5 minutes. So, pag sanay ka na. So, ganyan. Tapos, retouch na lang. Hindi ko alam kung pantay ba yung kilay ko. Mukhang hindi naman yata. But, happy for the result kasi mabilisan, nagawa rin naman natin kahit pa paano. Nailagay natin yung mga dapat natin i-apply. Yan, especially here. Yan, o. So, konting ayos na lang talaga. We actually did it and it's just 5 minutes. Na-apply ko pa yung lipstick. It looks natural. I love natural makeup. Bahala ka na mag-ayos ng hair mo, whatever you want. And alright guys, I hope that you learned something. Napakabilis po ng oras talaga. And alam ko na bawat minuto is very important sa atin, especially sa mga on the go. So I would suggest buy this Mary Kay product. Kung ano yung nakikita nyo na itsura niya online, itsura niya sa mga catalog, it's just the same. See? Crush Berry is just the same Crush Berry. And then this one is the same. It's a CC cream light to medium. Because one, I have a highlighter here because it's a blush on with a highlighter, the Shy Blush, which is really my favorite ever since 2011 ko pa ginagamit to. Also, the eye pen, nag-pop yung eyes natin. Then I used here Chroma Fusion eyeshadow. It's really good. It's really good. So this is the finished product. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates about my makeup tutorials, fast makeup tutorials, and any other ka-etchosan. All of you mga beshies, paki-like na lang kung gusto niyo po yung video. Salamat! Bye!